Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're in a Jeep Wrangler 2022 and we're gonna show you the CPAA wireless CarPlay wireless Android adapter from Smart World. So an easy way to just plug this device into your Wrangler and just get it wirelessly connected. No need to have cables hanging around there. It's just gonna be more nice and tidy. So we're just gonna plug in. We're just gonna use the USB Type-C port. The car has the two ports, but we're gonna use the USB Type-C. What you can do is just leave the device there. Don't have to do anything else. That's it. And then just wait a few seconds for the device to get recognized by the car radio. And you just get your iPhone and connect to this one. We're gonna show you wireless CarPlay first. With your mobile phone, you just go into this Bluetooth device, and then once you do that the first time, the next time is going to connect through. So we're going to just wait a few seconds more and it's going to be connected through the device, and you're going to see wireless CarPlay coming up. And here we go. We're going to put the volume down, and that's it. And it does work with the steering wheel controls. I know that in this car the steering wheel controls are in the back of the steering wheel. So we're just gonna, as you can see from my hand, I can just go next song or back song, just moving my fingers here in the back, and of course volume as well. So it works with your steering wheel controls, no problem. As well, of course, the touch screen. So it's depending on how you want to use it. So you can see here, next song. So and also, of course, CarPlay, maps, music, everything is gonna be there for you just to use it, and you can see it's very fast and very responsive. So this is the CPA. So we're gonna do now a test with Android Auto. Now we have it in Android Auto mode. We have the device with the Bluetooth Android Auto logo in the middle, and to change it you just double tap here if you want to change it back to CarPlay or Android Auto, and in seconds you're gonna have wireless Android Auto connected through with your car radio. As you can see, now is wireless Android Auto connected with the device. Just plug it in there in the USB Type-C port, and same thing, the steering wheel controls working really well. As you can see, changing songs from my steering wheel, volume as well working well, and maps are there. And of course, if you want to play with other of your apps, you can do that as well. Very simple and easy to use. So this is the CPA wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay adapter working on a Wrangler, Jeep Wrangler, and for you. So thank you very much. If you want to find more solutions for Jeep Wrangler, go to www.smartworldcompany.com.